Yo, what's up everybody, siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. I'm Damian from TheMonkeys and today is another live stream. Today from Canggu, and this is my friend Tilly. He used to speak very nice English long time ago, but forgot a little bit. He used to be a tour guide. He's our family friend, very good friend. He's also helping his uncle to running this guest house, so he gonna drive me today, this motorbike. Also, he's selling arak if you're interested.
Arak Bali.
Arak Bali, original, yeah?
Original and mix. I have the arak Yakul.
Yakul.
Yeah, make with Yakul and Sprite and honey.
Very nice stuff. So he's gonna drive me today. If you're just gonna watch me till now, thank you so much for joining this live stream. If you're gonna start watching me, let's say playback later on, please enjoy. That's gonna be very long video, maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, from all around. Whoa, many people actually here, from all around Canggu. Okay, let's go, yeah? Okay, let's go. Just drive safely, okay? All right, so we are starting from, this is like a Berava area close by. Go there. More likely local vibe here, little bit. There is the Bellic if you can fix your motorbike if you're interested. Yeah, many villas here around the area of Canggu. We are heading into Berava direction, but first of all, little bit from the side of the more local vibe. Quite many local houses in Canggu here, local people living here, and also many guest houses, many villas, also potentially many small cafes, restaurants, vape shops also. Somebody asked me last time about the vape shops, but still very nice mix between local and tourism. So we're gonna show you a little bit around Canggu today. Long time didn't vlog in Canggu, so here we go. Great opportunity to show you today. By the way, long time I didn't been here either personally, and seems like many changes. Right here, I mean left. I mean right. I messed up. The sides of the street. Oh, this is the church, I think Catholic with the cross. Catholic? Yeah, Protestant church for everyone who are interested, needs to pray. Yeah. And we are heading down. This is the small road, little bit of the rice fields on the other side, and some constructions of the villas, shops, restaurants, I don't know. This is like many actually brand new businesses around, and this is already Berava Street. We are heading to Berava, money changers, and we're going that direction till. Oops. Just be careful always. This is like a little junction. Always have to be careful. And this is famous Berava Street in Canggu. It's Berava, right?
This one Tegal Gundul.
Oh, Tegal Tulung.
Tegal Gundul.
Yes. And heading. Many restaurants also here. Some of them they are closed, some of them they are open. We're gonna show you all around Canggu. Welcome all people who joining us right now. If you are watching playback, please enjoy. Grab some drinks. And well, it's not that busy in Canggu when I was expecting a little bit. No, we're gonna go left till right. I mean right, yes. We're gonna go right now into direction of Finns, beach clubs and stuff like this. Quite many foreigners also here in Canggu. Canggu is probably one of the most busiest area of Bali right now, through the expat community and foreigners who are coming here for many reasons. Many digital nomads here also. So many cafes where you could enjoying the fast internet. This is Milk and Madu, famous place also. Many boutiques, you can buy clothes, barbers, tattoo shops, vape shops, dogs walking around. Many things actually. That is Canggu vibe. In short term, everyone who are coming to Bali right now, more likely they're gonna choose this area for staying and living. Not sure actually why it's like that, but this is trend right now. Definitely the trend is like that, as everybody wants to live in Canggu. So many cafes and boutiques everywhere actually. And we already make a small circle. Actually, we started in this street, Tegalsari, and we are going straight, which is a road leading to famous Finns beach club in Canggu. For everyone who are familiar a little bit with Canggu, this is for you. For everyone who suddenly joined this vlog. Yes, Tilly, what's happening?
Local people.
Oh, okay. So many friends of Tilly here. Anyway, check this out. Wow! They also have so many clinics and very nice restaurants. It's even hard to show me for you. Well, showing left, showing right, showing middle of the street, because actually quite a lot of is happening here. Also, the traffic is kind of busy, I could say over here, which is good, which is really, really good. As you see, you can go to Pantai Berava right now, Tilly, so left on the junction. Meanwhile, little bit of situation. Oh, there are even some girls also here. I hope so Winnie is not mad about me. And yeah, many things here. This actually area is developing pretty well since literally last 2 years, maybe 3 years. Like 10 years ago was very quiet here, really not much was here, I could say, but right now everywhere on the left, on the right, you can see so many restaurants actually, and very nice and fancy restaurants. Check this out. And there are some people over there inside. So apartments for construction. Wow, boutique, another boutique, more boutiques, more shops, spas. Of course, this area of Canggu, of Bali, is totally different than potentially Kuta or Legian or even Seminyak. However, yeah, it's more likely Seminyak vibe 20 years ago here. But yeah, definitely not like in Canggu or Kuta or Sanur, for example. So many villas also on the left, on the right. Mostly from the main street you can see the you know, businesses like restaurants, like property rentals, tattoos, like bars, fancy bars here actually. But deep inside the streets there will be the what is it called? Villas, mostly villas and local houses like this one, for example. This is still local houses, local people living. Many of them, they open the homestays, guest houses. Like Stili Uncle, for example, also, where we started this vlog. Nice mural, Ibu Bumi. And here, the biggest news, slower here, little slower. This is the biggest news in Canggu. We make a vlog. Here will be the Holy Wings, owner by group of people, but famous Hotman Paris own this. Construction is pretty advanced, I could say, and that's gonna be the biggest beach club in full Asia. It's gonna be huge, right? Very big. Seems like many friends, yeah. All right, and we are approaching the area of Finn's beach club.
My uncle house.
Hello. Your uncle house, Saint-Tropez, Finn's beach club. You have many family in Canggu, yeah?
Yeah, so many family in Canggu.
All right.
And many the friend.
Many friends, okay.
Fucking friend.
Finn's beach club. Just slowly we're gonna show you a little bit and we're gonna turn around close to the beach. Yeah, Finn's beach club, I think it's open without problem, it's still open, but it's just for a few minutes after 4, so it's not really that busy today yet. Gonna be busier probably later. I think here gonna be another beach club in the future. Okay, we can come back, Tila. There was some construction here also, so many things here. We're gonna come back. This is the live stream, so it's not edited video, guys, so I'm sorry if we'll be a little bit repeating or maybe a little bit shaky sometimes, time to time. You can go here, yeah, why not? Let's check this out, what is on this street. We wanna cover as many streets as possible. Unfortunately, Canggu is big, it's not really good for walking. Look at this, SVA, Berava Dining, whatever, something like that. Seems like a very fancy big restaurant. And they have houses around, and here is what? Some hotel. And here is a little bit of local vibe here. A little bit of the empty land and the stone manufacture. construction and over of probably villa or restaurant. We don't know what's gonna be here. Something like that. Oh, that's the nice car. Check this out, this Jeep. Little bit of local vibe here.
Whoa.
Yo. Check this out, this car. Oh, as you see, quite empty land here, but so many hotels and villas everywhere around. And there are some old houses here. Okay, we can come back, Tilea. Let's come back. But so many villas actually.
Big hotel.
Big hotel, yeah. Do you remember the name? No.
LPH.
LP? VIP? LV8.
Yeah.
Oh, LV8. Oh, yeah. And there is the beach club actually also. They belongs to this beach club. Yeah, that's how it is. This is a little bit of the backside of the Baraba. Look at this Jeep. Very nice. Willis, yeah?
Willis.
Very nice.
Willis.
Very good, very good. For sale, yeah?
No, yeah.
Yeah. Take care, guys. Local vibes. Not for sale, but if you're gonna put big money, it's for sale. That's normal. Very nice, very nice. Okay, and we are going now. We're gonna heading slowly into area direction of well, center of Canggu and the world famous Changu Shortcut. Okay, Changu Shortcut now, Tile, yeah?
Okay.
It's Saturday, maybe tomorrow. It's gonna be very busy here, especially during the sunset time, because will be so many people going to Finn's Beach Club. Especially it was so busy during the holiday season, like Christmas and New Year. Yo, what's up, doggo? So let's see, Panama. So many businesses. Bye bye. Actually, people in Canggu are very friendly. Let's go. Still, you can find the local warungs where local people chilling. Not mention about this one. This is gonna be the biggest game changer in Canggu. Huge investigation, and there will be huge place. Many people gonna get a job also. Meanwhile, still local warungs, you can enjoy a little bit of bakso or something like that.
Rancak.
Yeah, many things. Yeah, no, straight.
This one?
No, what is it? Ah,
Rancak.
okay, let's see.
This is also famous.
Famous for what?
Yeah, the area, many people, local people in the weekend come here for the sunset.
All right. Let's have a beautiful villa, by the way, next to the rice fields for rent shop, Baraba Beach Estate. Honestly, I'm less familiar with this area here right now. Seems like many houses and many villas. So let's have a look. Somebody have a BMW here, not so bad actually. Yeah, many villas. And yeah, many villas, nice. Yeah, this is like a residential area of Canggu. Temple. Check this out also. Yo, all your friends, as good as I'm driving here, that's why I'm saying always, whenever I have problems in Canggu, I call Tile, this is my bro. Whenever something happens, he will help me.
Come to Bali, yeah? It's fine in Bali. That's my friend also, the security in local people on the beach from Brawa, yeah?
Alright. Very safe in Canggu.
Pecalang, this is Pecalang.
Pecalang.
Yeah.
Okay, take care, guys. Let's go. What is it? Temple, another temple.
Pura dalam Rancak.
Oh, very nice. And the local guy also, the name of the temple. Still, actually, Canggu, some people saying so many villas, but still a lot of temples and a lot of local vibes. And the people are very friendly, really friendly. This one is abandoned, I think. They never finish.
But famous area. Many people Instagrammer take picture here.
Here?
Yeah.
Why? Because of
I
the...
don't know. The building, I think the building.
Okay, maybe, that's possible. But also local vibes here. So check this out, local warung if you wanna buy some cigarettes. Pop me or something.
Big hotel also, the Heaven.
Alright, seems like a big hotel. Ooh, this is like W in Seminyak little bit. Another construction here also. Passive investment. Ooh, check this out, Citadines, very nice mural. I skip it, but like I said, I cannot show you everything. Local warung, mie ayam bakso. Villa Batik. Honestly, never been here. At least I don't remember if I ever been in this area. That's why I'm so glad as I have my bro Tile today with me. Check this out. Oh, really not so bad. Also here seems like nice villa, and also so many construction everywhere. So many. So when you have a Mercedes also here, looks pretty nice here also. Angelina Spa. Ooh, nice. Really nice indeed. All right. We are heading to Changu Shortcut now, yeah? All right. What is it? Oh, nice cafe here also, actually. Oh yeah, I know where we are. Actually, we made a nice circle, and this is the stadium.
People playing football, yeah?
Yeah, Bali United.
Yeah. Hello, bro.
Yo. People playing football here. Also, many foreigners looking around. This is when Canggu people have opportunity to train their skills. Also, the supermarket. And become later the players in Bali United.
Bali United.
Bali United. Hey, Boro, one day we go to Bali United Stadium, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have a look. In Ganyar, yeah?
In Ganyar.
Yeah, okay. We're gonna go one day. Anyway, this is already more tourist area. We start from this street and we are going straight right now. Hello. Hello. So this is the parking area. If you're driving car, you can park here also, having some local snack. And we are heading now to quite busy small street which calls Changu Shortcut. Now Changu Shortcut is refurbished, but that's I'm gonna keep it until we're gonna arrive there. Meanwhile, so many restaurants, so many places for rent, business opportunities if you are interested. This is definitely the most busiest area of Bali so far right now in 2022. So many local people also coming from different islands of Indonesia or different cities like Jakarta, Surabaya. So many foreigners everywhere. So many people driving on the streets. It's definitely busier than other areas. Check this out. Also so many nice cars around. This is brand new business. Foreigners driving around. Nice. A lot of is happening here. It's actually quite a lot of things happening here. Nice mural also, really not so bad. Oops, I moved a little bit. I think there was the school or something long time ago. Some restaurant, place for rent. And this is the entrance to famous Changu Shortcut. This is only one-way road and is not allowed to come by car from this direction. However, sometimes cars also driving. Anyway, this road was very bumpy and very destroyed. I used to vlog here like 2-3 months ago. Also so many developments and so many villas actually. Quite a lot of construction of villas and everything. And ladies and gents, this is the most famous word in Bali, Changu Shortcut. No entry by car. Long time ago when I vlogged here, the road was super destroyed and bumpy by bricks. And so many billboards was everywhere around. However, now local people and foreigners who living in the area, they collect money and they do the refurbishment on the road. So it's beautiful asphalt right now. And it's pretty nice, I could say, very enjoyable. First time driving after the refurbishment. Also, I would like to mention, as 10 years ago there was no buildings around. This is very sign of the huge development in Canggu area. So many buildings, so many villas, so many hotels, so many stuff around. Mix between tourist places, tourist restaurants, and local vibes also, because not everything here belongs to the tourist attractions or tourist restaurants. Also local vibes, but development is huge, definitely. Development is huge. Ooh. Also driving here a long time ago, there was very... what's happening here? Oh, this is the volleyball court, right? I think volleyball, yeah. Surfboards, surf shops. Also area famous for surfing, where we are heading now. But still, a lot of rice fields, farmers still working on the rice fields. So, like I said, this is all mixed between local and tourists still. Like rice field, farmers, and the temple. But when we had just finished this road, there is like a Revolver Cafe, very famous place through the tourists and foreigners, and the tattoo shops. So, as you see, everything you can find in Canggu. Temple, rice fields, and the restaurants. Just simply everything. All right. Looks pretty decent here. And we are heading now to the also popular spot in Canggu, which is called, I don't know what's the name of the street, but it's the
Batu Bolong.
This is already Batu Bolong, all right, yeah. So we are heading into direction of Deus and few shops and Batu Bolong beach. Check this out, it's already also a lot of life here. Check this out. We go straight now. Or no, let's go to Deus direction. Let's go to Deus direction first. This is actually easier to record and show you where we are. So many restaurants. Oh, let's go. Straight. This is one of the first restaurants here actually. It's called Deus Ex Machina. Sometimes I wear the t-shirts from them, however not endorsement for them. What is this actually? Oh, this is the swing. They opened the swing, something like in Kuta next to Sky Garden long time ago was like that, but they make it huge here. And yeah, hoping for more tourists coming to Bali very soon. And this mural, this rice fields. I also wonder if this rice fields will exist in next 10 years. Hopefully yes, but let's see. This is the famous Santorini Greek restaurant. Also one is in Poppies Lane. Oh, nice X-Max. Oh, so much developments here actually since it's been like 1 month when I was here, but whenever I'm coming here is something. No, let's go to La Brisa direction. So right here. Let's go right, so many boutiques. We're gonna come back later, Tile, okay?
Okay.
Well, so much is happening actually here. A lot of restaurants, but also a lot of foreigners driving by bikes here, which is big surprise, especially to compare to the Kutalegian, even Seminyak direction area. Oh, smart, somebody have a smart, so many boutiques. Let's see how it looks situation by the beach. Here sometimes you have to be careful because sometimes they are police checkpoints. Sometimes. Ooh. Check this out. Nice area. So many businesses around as well. Big piece of land. Oh, it's finally for sale, 60 hours. I was always wonder when this land gonna be for sale in this area. Seems like so many new buildings around. Also somewhere there is the restaurant TheMonkeys. The ladies have parents from Poland, same like me. I mean, I have both parents from Poland, but you know, she's half Polish, half Indonesian. Just interesting fact for everyone. So many bars. This area also changed quite a lot since past few years, I could say really a lot. And we are heading now into direction of famous beach club. It's called La Brisa in Canggu, but also a lot of local vibes here, still a lot. This is, like I said, mix between tourist places, tourist areas and the locals. Yeah, this is the entrance to La Brisa. Not gonna vlog today in La Brisa, this is live stream. One hotel. And let's see. We're gonna do the U-turn, yeah? We're gonna come back till. Not gonna walk to the beach today. I will come back to walking on the beach whenever I'm gonna make a proper video. However, This is also surfing shop and surfing hotel, could say, as this is the hotel for surfers, but also if you are party around, all is good. So much is happening. Ooh, yo, what's up, doggo? Hope so, guys, you're enjoying my live stream today. Welcome all who just joined. If you lost where we are in Canggu, Bali, Indonesia, obviously. If you don't know, sometimes people joining from randomly, so if you are just joined, don't forget to subscribe and stuff like this. So many villas also behind this one. Everything is kinda new over here. Everything is probably potentially for rent, if it's of course empty. And this big land for sale. This land must be expensive, I think. Very expensive. Still cows here, but this land is suitable for small hotel. I'm pretty sure one day somebody gonna build something here. Okay, let's come back, yeah? Let's come back later. We're gonna come here, but later. We have time. We want to show you as much as possible from Canggu. So sometimes some streets gonna be repeated because obviously we cannot make it circle all the time. But I hope so you understand that. And now we are heading into direction of Surf Beach and the area of Oldsman in Canggu. I think Oldsman is still closed for everyone who are familiar, but let's see. I don't know, a long time I didn't been here. So many shops, so many restaurants. We go there, yes. I could say maybe it's not that extremely super busy, but everything is open here, or mostly the businesses are open here, which is a very good sign. Of course, there is like middle of February. It's not like a holiday season. And even in normal conditions, that's a nice restaurant here. Even in normal conditions, there is like a low season right now, but obviously since 2 years, the low season is every month. But now, even in normal conditions, there will be low season, so will be little bit less tourists, but yeah, still is something happening. Check this out, everywhere is some development, everywhere is some construction. Everything is something happening everywhere around, and they are also foreigners. This is the new hotel called Eastin or something like that. And there is the construction of another hotel, but I don't know what the name is gonna be. You know what the hotel is gonna be?
Yeah, in front?
Huh?
I only said you know it.
No. There will be some sort of nice hotel with the villas, I think, style. Surfer girls. Driving, not so bad. Yeah, so this is Canggu vibe in general. So much developments, that's for sure. So many hotels gonna be. And this is the landscape of Canggu. On the other side, there's also hotels and villas. And this is the little beach. Many surfers are coming here. Less tourist place, but definitely for everyone who decide to live in Canggu, the people coming here. You have a surfboards rental here, somebody making Insta story. The villa's gonna us heading up to the beach. A little look for the beach, just slightly high wave today. And this is area of temple, I think, yeah? No, yes, temple, another temple, like I already said. Canggu is mixed between local vibe and tourist vibe. This is not like only tourist and not only local, it's mixed now. Beautiful temple, by the way. And little bit of view of the beach. Batu Bolong beach? Batu Bolong, yeah? Batu Bolong, and this is famous The Lawn. Also one of the first restaurants in this area of Canggu. I think currently refurbished. Once I got lost my helmet here, so that's been a long time ago. However, I just would like to mention, you never know. Let's see if the Oldsman is open or not. Was also legendary place just at the corner. I don't think so. I think it's still closed. And yeah, it's closed. Unfortunately, closed. Also, this area was famous for a lot of checkpoints during the times when the cases was high. Here is some development. And this is also the street leading to area of Deus. This is Aston Canggu. We stay here. I got a flat tire, and this boy helped me to change the wheel at that time.
Wheel.
The same wheel. Long time ago. That was 2 years ago.
It's New Year's, yeah, New Year's.
New Year, yeah. Remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. Yeah. That's how it is. So much construction, I could say. What's going on here? Wow. Wow. This is huge construction. It's been like maybe 1 month when I was in here, 2 months, and I don't remember. I don't remember this construction. It was here like that. Also, people walking by the streets, on the streets here even, which is really not so bad. So much is happening here. Little day over. The guy is just chilling. This is the also pretty famous place for local healthy juices. And yeah, that's how it is. What's going on in the area of Canggu over here. Pretty nice place, nice vibes. Seems like gonna be nice restaurant very soon in the future. So let's see. Sunglasses, watches, Rolex. Don't think it's gonna be original. But definitely many expats around. That's for sure. Wow, here another something. Huge building. Not sure what it's gonna be for rent. Anyway, whatever you think about Canggu, you may like, you may don't like. I understand. Everybody likes something different in Bali. But one thing about Canggu, what I can confirm is that as the area is developing a lot. Probably the best place in Bali for investment right now. I can see really a lot of people around. Okay, maybe right now in this moment, certain occasion is not like that. But look, even if somebody walking on the street, it's much easier now to find somebody walking on the street than in the Kuta, for example, or in Legian or Riss, right? So many shops here. And okay, we go straight, yeah? Let's go straight. Love Angkor. We used to buy something there long time ago. Of course, I used to cover this area of Canggu many times, but that was like a short videos showing you certain places. But now is the time to show you full, entirely, street by street. How does it look like in Canggu? Ooh. So many also nice girls driving around. Oh, this is the doggo guy. I used to vlog with him also. So many restaurants, massage, I think. A lot of is happening in Canggu, that's for sure. Enjoy a little bit of the vibe of Canggu. We are heading now to the main street actually, where it's like a main road going to Tanah Lot, or you can go also to Tabanan. More deep, you're going into that direction, you can find different kind of shops, also the supermarkets later on, and also a little bit cheaper accommodation, more likely guest houses and villas, what are more far. No, just straight all the time, straight till local houses also with the temples. Obviously, if you don't know, local houses have temples. Always money changers. This is like a downtown of Canggu, I could say. So many actually foreigners around. Also Banjar Canggu. This is actually the main Banjar Canggu temple. And long time ago, I was looking for something for someone here in this area. Unfortunately, the project doesn't. Loud bikes, money changer, boutique, loud bike. Loud bikes and fast drivers and the girls. Guest house also, villas. like I said, Canggu life is definitely more alive than anything elsewhere. Here we go, people walking by, passing by, so many restaurants, visa agents, many things actually, and doctor on call, tests for, you know what, if you would like to make a little bazaar, many things is happening. Maybe that's why as everything is in Canggu, literally everything, like businesses, restaurants, shops, even the clinics. Maybe that's why people like to the big truck take over us. Maybe that's why people trying to like to choose Canggu as their base for living. Maybe I'm not sure about that, but that's one of the reasons, I bet. Anyway, another construction everywhere. This is the still you can buy some local coconut, but check this out, so much construction is going on everywhere around. And obviously Pepito market for everyone who are interested where to shopping, groceries in Bali, wine shop if you're interested also, money changer, everything is actually in one spot, literally one spot. Loud bikes, Hanover market, this is actually the same company on this, and straight. And it's actually a little loud. I come here especially because I want to show you, also here is the Brazilian Aussie barbecue and little other restaurants. Like many restaurants who were in Seminyak originally, they also moved to Canggu right now, which is kind of surprise, but at the same time, this is like this one, what I'm saying about, was famous in Kuta, famous in Seminyak, but now they moved to Canggu. So like I said one more time, everything seems to moving to Canggu again. Seems like, yeah, the trend of the Bali right now is Canggu. That's for sure, definitely. But you can see everywhere is something, and it's actually very busy, I could say. It's actually quiet to compare to the other days, but still a lot of is happening. This is already more local vibe here. Little bit less restaurants. What is it? Oh, police station, yeah. They have a nice building, by the way. You can buy also here like a more likely already equipment to your house, to your villa. You can, I don't know, buy the Achika or JFC, which is like a local stuff for chicken local, something like a, you know, KFC. You can buy cellular shop, stuff like this, little equipment. Yeah. Many things here. And this is the main junction already in Canggu, also very crowded also all the time. I hope so we can make it here. Check this out at the front, the people on the truck. This is also many local warung still where you can buy like nasi campur for 10k or buy yourself a helmet. And yeah, hello. And little warung here. We go left, yeah. I mean here, yeah. So we can go. Woohoo! And this is a little bit of the area of the main street. So basically many of you probably pass this street while going to Kanaklo. Also, like I said here already, you can buy many stuff as the equipment to your villa, house or business or whatever on these streets. Also so many warungs nowadays, they open on the middle of the rice fields. Somewhere here is the car wash. I think this one or this one. Oh, this one actually, yeah. Durian. Bankers, and you can fix your motorbike or your wheelies, jeep if you have it. Many stuff. Also big shops with the fruits. Many stuff. What's here? I don't know. And we are going here into small road. This is the man Larry's famous Babi Gulin shop. We also vlog here with Winnie if you would like to having a Babi Gulin. All right. And this is the Banjar, like this. Yeah, this is the temple actually. Beautiful rice field land for sale here. So if you would like to buy something here and build probably a restaurant or eventually villa, I think it's a great place for you. This street long time ago, I mean like 5 years ago, there was only rice fields here and nothing else, but right now it seems like so much development and so much building, restaurants. Like this one, all of this was 2 years ago, there was only rice field here. Check this out. This is a Vietnamese restaurant here. She started in Legian, but she opened already 2 restaurants just in 2021. And she bought piece of land in beautiful rice field actually. This one, everywhere. Look at that. On the left, on the right, on the middle. Everywhere is just the building, guys. So development is quite big, definitely. I think somewhere here is the shortcut also to Pererenan, yeah? Yeah, we can go, yeah? All right. But anyway, this is still Canggu, guys. Check this out. So what's going on at the front? Some kind of villas, right? A lot of developments. That's really hard to believe how this area has changed in the past few years. Like when I first came to Bali, there was nothing here. Nothing, zero. But now it's a lot. Like really a lot. And usually, you know, guys, like I driving by myself, you know, I drive and I don't focus really, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, like I don't really focus what is on the left, on the right, because you drive, you have to focus how you drive. Yeah? But now, whenever I have a TD who driving with me, I just notice how this area developed really a lot, extremely a lot. Also, a lot of foreigners living in that area till now. So many villas actually here. This area maybe a little bit less restaurants, but a lot of villas everywhere around, because not so long ago the land here was still kind of cheap enough to buy it, rent it, and build the villa, and many people used to do it like that. Museum of Space, that's interesting. Enjoy a little bit of our stroll today. Slow drive around Canggu, Bali, Indonesia. Welcome all who join us just now. You can always watch this video full in later as the replay, as the playback. But meanwhile, we are enjoying our stroll today in Canggu. Check this out. A lot of local houses also here with the temples, really a lot. Yo, what's up, doggo? Also tea, many cafes. You can buy your cappuccino, or having a keto diet or avocado or whatever, vegetarian, vegan, whatever you like. Little clinic here also if you are sick or something. It's like, well, potentially great place to live. Bali Buddha for everyone who likes stuff like this. And temple, also quite a lot of nice temples here, because obviously in Bali every village is different banjar, and every banjar have a temple and stuff like this. So, but look, so many, and in each restaurant is open, and in each restaurant is at least one customer, in most of them, right? Huh?
Little bit, not too much people here.
Yeah, not too much people like previous place, that's for sure. Anyway, we know how the times are very hard, but if you will go to Kutatile, there is nothing, completely zero. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, not much is having beautiful villa. Somebody have a nice big villa. And I think somewhere here is the shortcut to Pererenan. Check this out. This is like a little secret road. You have to know a little bit of Bali to know that. And you know where to go, because we are going to Pererenan. Check this out, this beautiful shortcut with the rice fields on the left, on the right. But there are villas already here, for example, at the front. But long time ago, there was only small roads like this with the rice on the left and on the right. But yeah, development, it's still nice. It's been a while when I was driving here actually. Ooh. Little river, little bridge. Hello. Always remember these roads are only
Car here.
exactly only for motorbike. If you have a car, never try to come here. Go by the big road. Don't follow Google Map because because you will be in trouble. I saw once there was the taxi driver coming here actually, the Bluebird taxi driver. So yeah, little bit of local vibe here. Little shaky. Sorry about that. Temple. Lady with the dog. Villa for rent, something. Temple. And we are heading now to Pererenan, which is Pererenan is different village obviously and different town, different village. However, for many people it's classified as this is still part of Canggu. Horses, oh nice actually. Hello. Nice horses. Oops. This is like you can rent a horse drive. They are royal sports horses. I'm not the horse specialist, however, many of them, and also nice villas. Anyway, this is Pererenan, and Pererenan is more likely residential area. Many people who living in Canggu, they also deciding to having a house, villa here. This is the woods we used to vlog here once. They have a nice coffee. And this area also 5 years ago there was like maybe 5 villas and mostly local people used to living here, but now it's really a lot of villas everywhere around. Of course the local house is still here, but many villas here, right? But you can like see, make a laundry here, many things. We go to the beach direction, yeah? Family on the motorbike, some foreigner, nice restaurant, very nice cafe by the way. Local warung next to it. So all the time, one more time, there is the nice restaurant, nice club, another restaurant, and there will be the local warung. This is still all the time like this, but however this area also changed a lot since last time. Check this out, restaurant, bar, cafe, construction, apartment, commercial space for rent. A lot of things is happening. Check this out, there's gonna be hotel, I think. It looks like it's gonna be hotel here, big hotel, because I remember this building here, that was the one of the oldest buildings here. But after that, many things are just literally very new. We are in Pererenan right now. For everyone who knows a little bit where we are, Pererenan is like a little bit of residential area of Canggu, more into Tanahlot direction, more northwest. Sorry. Oh, hello cows. Hello. And the land is of course for land for sale or for lease. Many also people living here. Quite busy cafe, actually, pretty busy. Villas deep inside. This cafe have a nice internet inside, I mean very fast. Hello. Hello. Villas, land, still rice field, but probably for rent or for sale. Yo, what's up, doggo? Chilling? Relax. Very nice. Monshir Spoon, famous brand in Bali, and obviously land for lease, land for sale. Construction. So when I first time come to Pererenan, the only one of the restaurants was here open with the view of the cows here, and I think that was not this one. This is the new one. I think that this restaurant was open. Yeah, this one, and that's it. There was nothing else, and this villa was here. This villa is already maybe 10 years old, but after that nothing was around. Okay, we come back. There is access to the beach, but today it's not time for chilling by the beach. It's time to show you around Canggu. Yeah. So this restaurant, for example, is brand new, maybe 2 years old. And this land, what you see right now, earlier or later, for sure, that's gonna be villas or hotel or restaurants or something like that, like this big villa over there. That's 100% for sure. Oh, check this out, this big guest house or something like that here. Yo, what's up, doggos? Surfers paradise. Also many people coming here for surfing. As you see, quite many expats walking around with the family. I bet is this area is also family friendly, still kind of quiet to compare to Canggu, obviously. 4 leases, big piece of land here. So I can reckon as everything here there will be land for lease. If it's not now, it's gonna be in the area, or later there will be restaurants. But still you can find very local vibe, like cows and the rest of the land what left. All right. Whew. A lot of is happening actually here in this area. Check this out, there is like a wooden building at the back. Somebody built like a wooden dinghy. So many tourists here also. Hello. Joglo. Shops.
Wasabi.
Wasabi. That's, this one will be something big, definitely. I don't know what is it. Definitely something big is gonna be here. Yeah, like a big company. There will be something. Everywhere is something actually, you know, like check this out, everywhere. I think many restaurants here even they are opening right now, even during the situation like this. Many of them. Let's go to the main street, is okay? Yeah, let's have a look on the main street. We're not gonna come back driving the same road if we can make it a little bit around. Nice cafe also here. Everywhere are actually cafes or restaurant or somewhere like that. Actually everywhere, literally everywhere. There's actually here less people, but yeah, a lot of is happening. And we are heading now more into Main Street, like I said already previously, leading to Tanaklo. So basically closer to beach is more tourist attraction, more far from the ocean into deep of the land, there will be more local vibes, like local warungs, local houses, local things. Like you can find a banker, which is little garage to fix your bike, temples like this one for example here, local houses, of course money changers, but more likely local houses from the street. Also, a long time ago, local people used to try to build their houses more far from the ocean. Like they didn't build directly to the ocean, they're afraid of the tsunamis, potentially erosion from the salt water and stuff like this. So they built houses more deep in the land. Like here you can see already house to house, because you can see the roofs with the temples. Like this is all local houses here already. And of course, a little bit of development. Whoa, what's going on? So many doggos. We are going back to Canggu now, yeah? All right. And we're gonna show you a little bit of the main street, but also here is the another shortcut. This building is, I don't remember, this one looks actually pretty nice. No, this one? Yeah, this one, yeah. Oh. Okay, we can go here also, it's no problem actually. Doesn't really matter which road we choose. It's nice. Like I said, there is the cafe, another cafe, and local warung. You can have a bakso. And there is the restaurant and local house and temple. And another local temple. Actually, so many temples here. Oh. And the place for rent if you would like to build something. And it's pretty nice here actually. We are heading to the main street. I hope so. It's not gonna be rain, by the way. Check this out, this sky. We are driving a motorbike. Would be best if we're not gonna get caught by rain. But meanwhile, you can enjoy a little bit around of life in Canggu. This is another temple. Also, the villages, I could say, in Canggu, in Pererenan, they look a little bit different if we compare to the villages in Sanur and Uluwatu, for example. In Uluwatu, they have a lot of space between. Check this out, this is nice house over here. It's a little bit windy also. You can buy petrol here if you want. Do we have petrol? We have petrol. It's okay. Hello. And yeah, this is already more likely more local vibe, more local businesses. And on the main street there will be big shops, but we're not gonna show you the shops today anymore. We are focusing more about the streets of Canggu and Pererena. How does it look like? Local kids enjoying their time. Also mix between local people and foreign local warung where you could buy the. And this is the another main junction. And this is the main street. Heading to Canggu from Tanakhlot direction or from Pererena. Let's see what is around. You can faster a little bit. It's okay. We can drive a little faster. Whew. Very windy actually, very windy. The traffic on the main street also. You can buy stuff for your house like I already said. Some cafes also. You can buy the bathtub, joglo, furniture, fruits. Many things actually around. And this is a little bit of the main street in Canggu. Enjoy a little bit of the sounds of the street. Some of you may be missing that. However, not many people honking around nowadays. Maybe because it's not that busy. That's also possible. This is also one street going to the Pererena area. But we are going back to Canggu right now. So much smoke in the sky actually. There is the harvest time. And also so many construction. You can buy helmet if you would like to. So many dogs also walking around. Like I said, on the main street will be more local vibe, more closer to the beach will be more tourist vibe. And this is little bit of the vibe. Tile, we can go this direction. Okay. There is small road through the rice fields. Right. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah. Here. I don't remember. This is like driving in Bali. You have to be very careful how you do it. This one, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yo, what's up? A nice dog. And this is also little, not really shortcut. This is, well, kinda small road where you can drive only motorbike. Remember, never come here by car anyway. This road is very small. And you can see a lot of beautiful rice fields around and local houses. However, I can see already somebody built something like a restaurant at the front. It's been like 1 year when I was here last time. I think last time we were here with Winnie making the videos about the kites. But that was last year. Meanwhile, enjoy a little bit the secret spot in Canggu. And not many people know about that actually. But here will be very nice restaurant in the very near future. Club and restaurant. You can also let me know what do you think about that. It's good, nice.
From bamboo.
Yeah, from bamboo. Looks pretty nice, but on the middle of the rice fields. It's nice actually. But this area is like secret spot still. Anyway, you cannot enter this restaurant from the car. The farmer is preparing his rice field. Still you can find a lot of, oh, so sharp. Hello. Hi. Very local vibe still. Another farmer. I really like this road actually. Not often coming here because since I sold my bike, I don't drive in. Hello, yo, what's up? The kids also are a little bit more gentle here to compare to Kuta. I don't know if you remember my last live stream in Kuta. There was like very nasty kids in Kuta. Meanwhile, a little bit from this perspective, there is the village. Around the villages, but is the middle of area with the rice fields only. Also Sanur have a part, one side of the Sanur is like that. However, it's like a secret spot. I think I vlog only there once, a little bit. Maybe one day I'm gonna show you the area in Sanur like that. Meanwhile, let's focus about Canggu. So it's like a small path, the farmers, and some gazebos. Also so many people driving with dogs on the motorbike here. Very nice local vibe, a little bit around. There are already some construction of the villas, I think. Yeah, villas or something like that in the background, but meanwhile enjoy a little bit of the nature. Wonder what's gonna be here, maybe farmer house or maybe little house or maybe little warung. But obviously farmer own this land. You can chill also in the gazebo like this with ladies. I saw you. I see you. I see you.
Pretty woman on the rice field.
Very nice actually here. Very nice, Tila.
Healing kita, healing.
And here is some little development. Maybe villa will be here or houses. But with the beautiful rice fields in the background, that's for sure. Hello. Oh, so shaky. I don't want to fall down. Till you have to drive very carefully. All right, and this is the street already, and a little bit of area. I think you go there and there. I don't know. I forgot actually. Yeah, I think this one. I don't know. I don't remember actually. Yeah, I think so.
It's easy with motorbike.
Yeah, easy with motorbike, no problem. Little lost in Bali is no problem with motorbike. If you come here by car, maybe it could be stressful a little bit, but by bike is alright. A little bit. Oh, villa for sale here next to the rice fields. Local vibe. Sometimes it's good to get lost a little bit. You can see something new. And this is already the main street. Where now? Oh yeah, we're going into that direction. And
Go
that's,
to main road.
yeah, to main road?
Yes.
And we're going to Brava?
Yes.
And then we're going to Batu Bellic?
Bellic.
Yeah. So our plan is to going back to Brava to show you the other part of Brava at the beginning, what we didn't show you. And then to Batu Bellic, which is the part between Seminyak, Taditengat and Canggu. Yeah, Canggu in general. I think I didn't mess that with the naming, little bit of the local village vibe here. So many bankers, you can fix your bike. A little less restaurants, but yeah, still actually you can find. Today's the weather is little bit gray sky. However, oh nice. However, it's actually nice as it's gray sky because if it will be sunny, it will be also hard for the camera because of the sun. If you are driving into sun direction, and also hello, and also will be hard with the sunburn potentially later. We don't want to get the sunburned. This is local village, little bit more deep inside Canggu. If you just join our live stream, welcome all. This is already over 1 hour. I lost count, 1.5 hours of live stream, still a lot of to finish. You can always watch our replay later on. Here we go. This is the junction, and we are halfway in Canggu. Hello. Oh, little break, check this out, this little warung. You can have like a lalapan, goreng, fish, ayam, a lot of teh, fruit, veg, many stuff, nice things, local vibe, tomatoes. So while waiting on the red light, you can enjoy. No pets are allowed. And green one, let's back to Bravo. Little bit of the main street. Nice Volkswagen car at the front. Yeah. And a little bit of the main street situation also. This is the main street in Canggu, leading into Berava direction. Ooh. I will show you a little bit of the traffic, maybe it's gonna be interested. This is like a first person view. You can feel almost like you are the driver of the motorbike right now. I have my driver here. Just focus driving. But yeah, great vibe. You can enjoy a little bit. I will have a little break from the talking. Anyway, it's very windy. Also, like plant shops and local, some restaurants, a lot of shops here what you could buy, like starting from electronics, finishing with equipment to your villa, house or restaurant, furniture, buildings, materials, paints, many stuff like this. Sorry. And this is the main street to Canggu with the little traffic. With the little traffic at the front. Actually very little traffic, because in normal conditions the traffic here will be very big. And this is just little traffic right now. And little construction also over here. But let's focus on the traffic right now. Okay. Ooh. Lucky as I have a professional driver with me today. I used to drive like that, but if you don't know, if you don't follow me every day, I had to sold my bike. Not allowed to driving anymore. Here you can buy parfum. I mean, I drive a car. It's just not as I cannot drive a motorbike. I just change into driving a car for the safety reasons, obviously. This is little police park. Hello. Little traffic. I just want you to focus on the traffic. We're gonna go straight to Berava, yeah? We're gonna go to Berava. Let's enjoy the traffic a little bit. What's going on here? Check this out, what's going on here. This is like a driving in Canggu traffic. You have to be very... Oh, that's so cool actually. I almost feel like a tourist again. Check this out. This is the back street. I mean the main street leading to Berava in Canggu. Oops, sorry. Some Grab driver with some lady. Well, obviously this is still a very local area of Canggu. Yo, what's up? Still local vibe. Long time ago when I used to live in Canggu for a while, I used to come in here, somewhere in this area for the laundry services, because the laundry was definitely much cheaper and more local here than in the area where I used to live close by beach. But that was many years ago. But I think regarding this, nothing really has changed. Let's focus a little bit on the street right now. Little traffic, little services everywhere around. And there is starting to be an area of the Berava street, Indomaret, a local shop. They built here Pepito Market, however they never opened because of the current conditions. Yeah, there. And well, there is the local Canggu. We used to vlog with Winnie, local market, Pasar in Canggu. But let's focus on the main street of what is so many action around. This building here was already very old, very long, and seems like they start reconstruction, refurbishing something. It was always empty for some reason. Nice mural. And somewhere here is a lot of also development. They make some sort of hotel villas called Changu Hype, like this. inside the rice fields, quite a lot of villas. And yeah, situation by the in Canggu Brava Street. Here we go. Also, this area changed quite a lot since the past years. Obviously, there was only this restaurant, and somewhere there was the another restaurant. And that said, this is Indigo. Seems like a nice restaurant. Oops, little traffic here. Always is something is happening, but this is actually delivery of rice. This restaurant was called Smakan long time ago when I used to living in the area. But yeah, everything is changing. There is the NFT, bored apes. So many, oh hello. Also, so many, like somebody have a beautiful villa here, by the way. Huge. Also, this area of Canggu is very famous as that as many ladies, foreigners ladies, driving a lot of fancy loud bikes. Like, you know, custom bikes. Many ladies and boys, everybody driving like, this is like a hipster vibe little bit in Bali. If you're looking for vibe like this, having a loud bike, custom-made bike, easygoing vibe, easygoing atmosphere, probably easygoing parties, straight. Probably this part of Canggu is for you also. Yeah, what I can say. Long time ago, like 6, 7, 8 years back, I used to like Canggu really a lot, to be honest. I used to living on this street somewhere. I think we already passed the place. However, now when I'm getting old, married already and stuff, stuff like this, I need a more calm place to live. For daily life. Of course, being a tourist, being a visitor for short term is totally different than being living here already for many years with potentially of permanent living, because obviously if you don't know, my wife is from Bali. So yeah, we start today's live stream here. We go straight now, we're heading to Batu Bellic. This is the we used to show all of this area here around, so if you are interested, this is Pecalang by motorbikes. Yo, what's up? Hello. Your friends?
Yeah, local people here from Tegal Gundul. Cuman Pecalang Tegal Gundul.
That's good. All right, this is the Finns club. Wow, so many people, kids playing. A lot of expats families sending kids here to doing sport activities. And this is like a Changu station area. One of the oldest parts of Canggu, developing till now. A lot of new buildings, shops, everything. They even have a Starbucks here and many other businesses around. Check this out. Changu station. This is the first supermarket in Canggu before Pepitos, restaurants. These restaurants are already very old. Like I said, they have a hospital right now or clinic. Well, a lot of is happening. The new restaurants, shopping.
Mora is new here.
Yeah, this is new. Like a little shopping center, could say. Here will be something new, nobody know what, some sort of shops. If you go deep inside this area, this is Umalas, residential area, yes?
Malas.
Yeah. But we are going now to Batu Bellic, by the way, check this out. We're gonna come back using the same road, so don't you worry, you will have opportunity to see this all from different perspective. And also so many old, maybe not old, but older first villas in Canggu. In Canggu. This is actually a road between Canggu, Batu Bellic and Seminyak, or in simple words, road between Canggu and Seminyak. Just if you are not familiar with the names of the areas, because obviously every village, every banjar, every area has different name, but the most popular are obviously Kutalegian, Seminyak, then Canggu. So this is still Canggu, still belongs to Canggu. Many shops. Be careful. Little doggo. Hello, be careful, doggo. some luxury villas, banks, shops, boutiques, Hawaiian shop if you need sandals, many things. Hanover clinic, obviously a lot of clinics here. One of the first Pepito supermarkets in Canggu. International services like a visa agents, many stuff. That's why Hanover real estates. This villa is very old. I remember this house was already since very long time. I remember. Anyway, we are heading now. Long time ago, here was the La Laguna Beach Club, but La Laguna is closed already for many years. They never open again. But here at the front, instead, is the new beach club. It's called Cafe del Mar. Very big beach club, deep inside. Been there once. Well, this is like a clinic for, you know what, you can make yourself. And we are passing this bridge right now. And this is little bit, maybe ugly looking part of the road, but this is the border between Canggu and Batu Bellic. Some lady is driving bicycle very fast, actually, by the way. Check this out, what's going on here, actually. There was the beach club, there was the club here, but now somebody opened the crypto club. This is unbelievable how the trends in Bali are right now. This is the hotel. And we are going to the beach of Batu Bellic. This is already 1.5 hours of live stream, something like that. Hello, ambulance for pets. And this area is quite old already, so many villas also was here around. Yeah, there was the villas, and wow, what's going on here? This is something new, the construction of something. And this is little bit stroll to the beach. And we're gonna show you a little bit of the beach. It's called Batu Bellic Beach. There will be the Hanover Beach Club. I don't know what's the name actually. Oh, the road here is a dirt road with the, bumpy road with the direct view of the ocean. And there was also one hotel here. One of the oldest hotel here already, quite old. Sorry for little shakiness here, but the road is very bumpy. There was many actually local warungs, local tourist warungs like Beach Band, 707, and I don't know, any other reggae bars. Like a kind of local vibe, still very local vibe with the bars for the tourists, obviously, where you can buy bintang and stuff like this, but still local vibe. I mean, like a hut with umbrellas, you know, like without like a fancy building. Like 707, this is one of the oldest places here, like a surfer hippie vibe here, still. Very nice place if you would like to enjoy a few bintangs by the beach. But not in the beach club like Cafe del Mar, for example, but the local vibe, definitely. We also used to vlog here, normal, regular vlog. So yeah, still a lot of people, local people also. Here used to be a Tropicola, proper club, beach club, but it's closed. I think it's abandoned, left over. And still few, hello, doggo. Few restaurants, bars, local, obviously local vibes. We're gonna stop over there, yeah? Oops, there, at the end of the street, yeah? Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you where we are actually, because this is like a Batu Bellic, but this is actually the border between Seminyak, Petit Tenggep, and Canggu. Old villas here. Oops. Local warung. Just stop here. Oh, no, it's Triumph bike. Nice. Oh, actually so painful. This is my driver, Tile, family friend. If you don't know him, I just want to show you a little bit around. How does it look like? Some locals living here. The guy is selling the shells. And over there, just here, where you can see, this is the W Hotel in Seminyak, and there will be Alila and any other famous places in Seminyak, obviously. Cigarette break. How to enjoying the cig. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Yeah, W, Alila, there will be Kudeta, more further, and many other places in Seminyak. So everywhere in this direction is already Seminyak, but if you're thinking to go into this direction, there will be obviously Canggu. Okay, whew. That was actually a pretty long live stream. Definitely much easier for me today because, well, I used to driving with Tilly. Tilly is our family friend. I introduced him at the beginning. If you would like to watch, you know, like playback, you can watch it playback. Hello. We will come back to the home where Tilly is living. I think that's it for the live stream. I'm gonna still record the road to back home, but without any my commentatory. So I would like to say goodbye to you to now. Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for joining. Now the live stream is every Friday. Every Friday. I hope so you enjoyed. Today was Canggu. Next week will be something different. Maybe Sanur or maybe Ubud. You can let me know in the comment section what would you like to see next week, and we're gonna go home. Just whenever Tilly gonna finish his cigarette. Also, he have some vape. If somebody asks me if vapes are in Bali, yes, no problem.
This one the souvenir.
Just
souvenir. My
souvenir.
friend the business.
All right. So one more time, that was the Tilly. Thank you for driving.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go home. But that's it from my face. I would like to say thank you one more time and enjoy the rest of the video what I'm gonna show you now when we're going home. Are you finished? Very finished soon. Finish cigarette soon and we go. All right, thank you. All right, I'm gonna jump. This is our bike for today. This is actually Changu boy t-shirt is so funny. Okay, I'm gonna jump. You finish your cigarette, yeah? Oh, that's a loud bike. All right, let's go. I don't know the song. Oh. Hello.